In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a property in Google Analytics. If you've consolidated duplicate setups, migrated to a new measurement structure, or simply no longer need an old setup, removing a property keeps your workspace clean and your reporting focused. Before we begin, remember that a property is a container for data streams and settings. Deleting it stops data collection for that property and hides its reports. There's usually a limited window where you can restore a deleted property from the trash, but treat this as a serious, deliberate action. Make sure you have the right access level and consider exporting any reports you may want later. Start by opening your Google Analytics account. Sign in and confirm you're in the correct account if you manage multiple ones. It's easy to click the wrong place when account and property names look similar, so take a moment to verify you're in the property you truly want to remove. Next, go to the admin settings. You'll find the admin gear icon in the lower left corner of the interface. This is where all account and property level controls live. When the admin panel opens, you'll see columns for account and property. Focus on the property column to make sure you're targeting the right container. Now click the property you're planning to remove. Double-check the property name and ID so there's no confusion with another one. Accuracy here prevents deleting something you still need. Open Property Details. In many interfaces, this appears as Property Settings or Property Details. Inside, you'll see configuration items like property name, time zone, currency, and other metadata. This confirms you're in the exact property you want to remove. Find and click Move to Bin. Depending on your interface language, it may be labeled Move to Trash Can. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Read the prompt carefully. You may be asked to acknowledge that data collection will stop and that the property will be scheduled for deletion after a hold period. When you're certain, confirm the action. Once confirmed, the property is placed in the bin and marked for deletion. Data will no longer flow into it, and its reports will be unavailable during the hold period. If you ever discover you removed the wrong property, check the trash promptly, as restoration is only possible for a short time. If you don't see the Move to Bin option, you likely need higher permissions, or you may be viewing the wrong level. That's it. Open Analytics, go to Admin, select the property, open Property Details, then move it to the bin and confirm. Proceed carefully and keep your workspace organized.